This video will cover the Activities and Awards section of the UC application. This section gives you the opportunity to share about what you're most proud of outside of the classroom. There's room for up to 20 different activities and awards, but you may want to focus on the ones that are most important to you. They do recommend that you choose experiences that demonstrate commitment, responsibility, leadership, and genuine interest. If you have no activities or awards to report, simply click here and continue with your application. To add activities or awards, click here. You can enter your activities and awards one at a time. First, you're going to select a category from a drop-down menu below. Once you've selected a category, you'll be able to tell more about the activity or award in follow-up questions. As you can see, there's 5 different categories. The first one is award or honor, where you can talk about different honors or awards that you've received. The second one is educational preparation programs. These can be any activities that have enriched your academic experience or help you prepare for college. If you click on this information link, it will tell you which type of programs, which could include counseling, tutoring, and more. The third category is extracurricular activity. These could be different hobbies, clubs, sports, or anything else that you don't feel like you've had a chance to talk about. The fourth one is volunteering/community service. These are activities where you've donated time and effort without getting paid. The fifth one is work experience, which is where you share about any paid jobs or any paid internships that you've had. To add an activity or award, choose a category from the drop-down menu. For my example, I'm going to use award or honor. The next area, what's the name of the award or honor? I'm going to use President's List for my example. Next, I'd like to know the level of recognition, so choose the one that fits best. For my example, it will be school. Next question, type of award or honor. Is it academic or is it non-academic? Again, for this example, academic fits best. Next, I'd like to know when I received the award. Since it was in college, I'm going to mark after 12th grade. As a transfer student, it is recommended that you focus on college-related activities and awards. You may choose to include some high school as well, though, if they still seem relevant or you're still involved with them. Next area, they'd like more information about the eligibility requirements of this award or honor, so please answer as thoroughly as you can. The next question, what did you do to achieve this award or honor? Again, please answer as thoroughly as you can. Once you're done answering all the questions, hit save and continue. On the next page, you'll see the award or honor that you added. If you need to edit or delete, as in any section, you'll have that opportunity here. If you're done adding activities, simply click on Finished Adding Activities. If you'd like to continue adding activities, select Add Another Activity or Award. Let's go ahead and add one more activity or award. From the category list, I'm going to select Work Experience. Next, they're going to ask, where did you work? I'm going to put in Costco. And then they want a brief description of the company or organization. So again, as thoroughly as you can, answer the question. Next, they're going to want to know, what was your job title? I'm going to go ahead and put in cashier. And then they want to know what your job responsibilities are. So again, explain as thoroughly as you can what those responsibilities are. Next, when did you work at this job? I'm going to go ahead and put that I got it once I graduated, so after 12th grade. Next, how many months and years have I worked at this job? I'm going to put 1 year and 6 months. Next, I want to know how many hours per week you work during the school year. So I'm going to put 20 hours a week. And then for summer, I work more, 30 hours a week. Next, they want to know, do you still work at this job? I'm going to put yes. And then they would like to know the start date. So I'm going to click on June 2018. And then I'm going to hit save and continue. Once you've added in your activities, you'll see the list here. And again, as in any area, you can still edit, delete, and add as needed. Once you're finished, you're going to go ahead and click on I've finished adding activities. This will then bring you to the review page for the activities and awards, and we'll complete this section.